Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type at on your computer or laptop keyboard. So guys, there are some easy way to type this key. Press and hold Shift plus 2. So you can type this key by using shortcut Shift plus 2. And another way, open any browser, type here at key. Just you have to type at key, then press enter. Now copy. You will see add key in title or description of any sites. So just copy and paste. So this is the way guys you can type add key on your laptop or computer keyboard. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.